Compared to traditional gardening methods, hydroponic gardening involves growing plants entirely without the use of soil. While this may seem unusual and daunting at first, hydroponic gardening actually provides a lot of advantages over traditional gardening. And with the right setup, can be a great way for beginners to start developing their green thumb. All a basic hydroponic system needs to get started is a bin, water, nutrients to add to the water, and LED lights. Hydroponics allows for plants to be grown year-round in various climates, and there are a variety of hydroponic systems available for any home and budget. Today we will be going over just a few of the many benefits associated with hydroponic gardening, as well as a brief overview of how to get one started, even on a tight budget. The first and perhaps most notable benefit of a hydroponic garden is the increased rate in which it is able to grow plants. Hydroponic systems typically grow plants 30 to 50% faster than traditional gardening, thanks to the extra oxygen within the nutrient solution that stimulates plant growth. This extra oxygen also helps the plants to absorb other nutrients faster, especially since the roots do not have to search for nutrients in the soil. Additionally, with a hydroponic system, the grower has full control of the external factors involved in growing: light, heat, nutrients, hydration, and so on, meaning that the process can be optimized for maximum plant growth. The second benefit of hydroponics is that it provides a reliable and consistent way to grow food without requiring healthy, nutrient-rich soil. With industrial agriculture systems around the world continuing to wreak havoc on our soils, we are quickly running out of usable material in which to grow plants. Additionally, many plants have a strong preference for the type of soil that they are grown in, meaning that farmers typically have very limited options regarding what they grow. Without the need for soil, hydroponics provides a sustainable alternative to traditional farming that would allow us to dramatically reduce the strain placed on our soils, while also allowing farmers to grow whichever crops they prefer at any time of year. The third benefit of hydroponics is that it uses up significantly less space than traditional gardening or farming practices. This is because the roots in a hydroponic system do not have to spread out to search for nutrients and water. Since the root system takes up less space, a lot more plants can be grown in a small area. On a larger agricultural scale, combining hydroponics with vertical farming techniques can reduce land requirements by up to 99%. The fourth benefit of hydroponics, surprisingly, is its ability to conserve water. Despite the fact that hydroponics requires growing plants in almost exclusively water, it actually uses 98% less water than traditional growing methods. Seeing that we are quickly depleting the Earth's fresh water supply, it is as important as ever to conserve water. With traditional growing methods, only 0.1% of water is used by the plant, and the other 99.9% is released into the air through evapotranspiration. Whereas hydroponic systems allow plants to use what they need, and the rest is recirculated back into the system. The fifth and final benefit of hydroponics that we'll be discussing is that it produces higher yields and higher quality food. Creating the perfect conditions for plant growth, along with being able to grow food all year round, means that hydroponic gardening can produce dramatically better yields than traditional growing practices. Growing produce locally, as opposed to having it ripen along the supply chain, means that fruits and vegetables can be picked right when they're ripe. This is not usually the case when produce has to travel long distances, but since hydroponics allows growers to grow almost any plant, almost anywhere in the world, picking produce far before it is ripened is no longer necessary. This provides us with much tastier and much more nutrient-dense food. These are just a few of the many, many benefits that come with hydroponic gardening, demonstrating how valuable of a practice it truly is. There are quite a few different types of hydroponic systems, and there are many pre-assembled, ready-to-use systems that can be purchased online. However, these systems, especially the more high-tech ones, can come with a hefty price tag. Luckily, you can make a hydroponic system at home with minimal equipment at minimal cost. In terms of systems that are built and operated in a home, a deep water culture system is likely the best and easiest option, especially for beginners. To create one at home, you'll need an opaque storage container, net pots, an air pump, liquid nutrients, a pH meter, a hole saw, a drill, and your plant plugs of choice. Firstly, drill holes the same size as the net pots in the lid of your container. Secondly, assemble your air pump. Thirdly, fill the reservoir with water. add nutrients, and adjust the pH level to be between 5.5 and 6.5. Finally, assemble the system by placing your plant plugs in the net pots, placing the net pots in the holes of the lid, and adding the end of the air pump to the reservoir. For the full details of this DIY project, check out this online guide. For more gardening tips or eco-friendly DIY projects, head on over to our website, seedsforecocommunities.org. If you decide to make your own hydroponic system, make sure to tag us in the pictures of your completed system on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.